Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Canva just rolled out its biggest update ever, and the video editor looks completely new. But the real question is it actually better or just different? Let's take a few minutes to explore Canva's brand new Video Editor 2.0, test its features, and see if it truly levels up your editing game. Alright, so here's what the new Canva interface looks like. So I'll click on the video tab, and right away you'll notice that things look much cleaner. Canva has clearly gone for a more modern, minimalistic layout. It's familiar but definitely redesigned. So at the top, you'll find a brand new shortcut bar. These quick access buttons help you jump straight into popular features like AI voices, music, you have captions, beat sync, magic media, video backgrounds, premium animations, and magic animate. So some of these tools existed before, but now they're easier to find and feel more integrated. The idea here is to save you time, especially if you're someone who edits frequently for social media or content creation. Below that, you can still choose the type of video you want to make, such as landscape, you have portrait, or square, and Canva has added a ton of new templates. Let's select landscape and check out the workspace. At first glance, it looks sleek and professional. The left panel holds all your creative tools, while the top bar has a few new icons, including one that really stands out, which is a little AI assistant box. Now, this is new and you can type or even talk directly to Canva's AI. So, if you've got a microphone, you can literally describe what you're trying to create, and Canva will instantly pull up matching templates, media, or design elements. For example, I'll ask Canva to show me beach theme video templates. So within seconds, it loads a set of ready to use scenes that match that style. This makes brainstorming or starting a new project much faster, especially if you're not sure where to begin. Let's talk about the timeline and editing area, because this is where the biggest visual changes appear. You can now resize panels more smoothly, drag and drop media clips directly, and everything moves with almost zero lag. So when you adjust clips, they snap perfectly into place, which helps you align visuals with your audio effortlessly. Let's try adding a few clips. I'll search for beach in the video library and drag one right into the timeline. So it fits perfectly, and if the clip's too long, trimming is easy. Just drag the edges, just like that. Playback feels smooth and responsive, and previewing your edits happens instantly. Now, adding transitions is also more easy now. Canva calls each clip or segment a scene, and when you click between them, you'll see new transition styles to choose from simple fades to dynamic motion cuts. Now let's take a look at the top bar again. You'll see something called Ask Canva. This is one of the most exciting features in this update. Think of it as your built in creative partner, so you can use it to generate text, create images, or even get smart design advice. Let's try it. I'll click Give me design advice, and Canva starts thinking for a few seconds. Then it gives me suggestions on layout, you have text placement, and color use. It's not perfect, but it's surprisingly useful when you're unsure how to make your design stand out. Alright, let's move on to audio, because this section got a big improvement too. So here you'll find voiceover controls built directly into the editor. You can either record your own narration or use Canva's AI voice generator. If you want to record your own, simply click microphone, hit record, and Canva will capture your voice and automatically drop it into the timeline. You can then move it around, you can trim it, or adjust the volume with one click. If you prefer not to record, the AI voice generator is a great alternative. You can choose from multiple voice styles, some premium, some free. Just type in your script, pick your language, and Canva will create a realistic voiceover for you. It's ideal for people who don't want to record their own voice or need quick multilingual content. Let's also try adding some background sound. So I'll go to the audio tab, search for waves on the beach, and drag that in. Canva places it perfectly underneath your clips. You can double click the trim or move it, and even fade in or fade out for smoother transitions. If you want to layer multiple sounds, say background music and sound effects, Canva handles that easily now. So if you're worried about copyright, you can still pull tracks from YouTube Audio Library or your own uploads. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful new additions, the AI video generation. This feature is available for Canva Pro users, but it's worth a look. So click on Canva AI, click on video clip, and you'll see a simple prompt box. So type in what you want, choose your style, for example, this one. So decide if you want background audio. After that, hit generate. Canva creates a short video clip based entirely on your prompt. You can review it, tweak the details, and regenerate if you want something different. Once you're happy, drag it into your timeline and edit it just like any other clip. This feature has a huge potential for content creators, especially if you're making short form videos, social posts, or marketing clips. You can literally go from an idea to video in under a minute. When your project's ready, exporting is just as simple. So click share and click download, pick your format, and Canva will render it. After that, you can then upload it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you publish your videos. Now, here's a quick bonus tip. If you try the new video editor and decide it's not for you, you can actually switch back to the old version. Just go to your Canva homepage, click your profile image, open settings, just scroll down, and toggle off the new editor option. That will revert you to the older layout instantly. So overall, Canva Video Editor 2.0 feels like a huge leap forward. So it's faster, more responsive, and clearly designed for creators who want AI-powered tools without deep learning curve. Some of these standout features are the Ask Canva Assistant, the AI Voice Generator, and the AI Video Creator, all of which can save you hours of work. The downside is that a few features like the AI video clip tool and premium voices require a pro subscription. But even on the free plan, the editor feels polished and powerful enough for most users. If you've been using Canva mainly for static designs, this new editor might just convince you to start creating videos too. It's intuitive, smart, and designed to make your workflow smoother from start to finish. That's the new Canva Video Editor 2.0, sleek, smarter, and built for creators who love efficiency. Try it out, experiment with the new tools, and let me know what you think of this update in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezur, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezur handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Freezer is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Freezer now. Just go to getfreezer.in.